Hello everyone. Welcome to this online English class. Today I shall take up a grammar topic, namely finite verbs. I hope you all know what verbs are. Verbs are action words. Well, verbs are of two types. They are finite verbs and infinite verbs. In this video, we shall discuss about finite verbs. What is a finite verb? A finite verb functions as a main verb in a sentence. For example, Rohan wrote a nice story. In the sentence, the main verb is wrote, and therefore it is a finite verb. So students, I hope you've understood what a finite verb is. It is the main verb in a sentence. A finite verb depends upon the three aspects of the subject, that is, tense, person, and number. Let's understand this in detail with the help of examples. A finite verb changes as per tense. As you can see in these examples, Rohan sang well. In this sentence, the main verb is sang, and it is in the past tense. Now let's take the second example. Rohan sings well. Here the main verb sings is in the present tense. So you can see how the finite verb has changed its form in the two sentences. It is sang in case of past tense and sings in case of present tense. Thus a finite verb changes as per tense. Now let's understand how a finite verb changes as per person. Let's consider the example, I play football every day. In this sentence, I is in the first person, and so the finite verb is play. Now let's consider the second example, he plays football every day. Here we have the third person, he, and so the finite verb is plays. So you see how a finite verb changes its form in case of first person and third person. Now let's consider how a finite verb changes as per number. Let's take the example, the boy plays cricket every day. Here the boy indicates singular person, and so the finite verb is plays. But when the word boys is in the plural form, the finite verb changes, as in the boys play cricket. So when it is singular form, the finite verb is plays, and when it is plural, the finite verb is play. So I hope you all have understood what a finite verb is. Let's do a quick recap. A finite verb acts as the main verb in a sentence. It depends on three aspects of the subject, tense, person, and number. So I hope you have understood the concept. Once you have understood, you may now solve this exercises that is given here. Please be ready with your pen and paper so that you can jot down the answers. You may pause the video and mark your answers. The first one, Rahul dash beautiful pictures. You have to select the correct finite verb from the options given below. Paints or paint. Please note down your answers. Once you've done that, you may check. The answer is Rahul paints beautiful pictures. Second one, Serena dash gracefully. Dances or dance? Answer, Serena dances gracefully. Third one, the children dash ice creams. Likes or like? Answer, the children like ice creams. Here you can see it is an example of finite verb in case of plural form. Next one, Sarah dashed to the park yesterday. Goes or went? And the answer is went. Fifth one. Molly dash on the swing every evening. Plays or play? And the answer is Molly plays on the swing every evening. I hope you've got all those 5 questions right. Exercise B. Here you have to identify the finite verb. The first one. The children built the sandcastle. Please underline the finite verb. Identify the finite verb. The answer is built. Second one. Sam went to the ice cream parlor. Answer went. Third one. Regan loves to swim. Here there are 2 verbs. You have to identify the finite verb, that is the main verb. Regan loves to swim. And the answer is loves. Fourth one. Mark planned to study well. Again you can see there are 2 verbs, planned and study. So which one is the finite verb? Planned. Fifth one. Neha requested us to help her. Identify the main verb. Answer requested. So students, I hope you have scored well. If not, please watch the video once again. Understand what finite verbs are and the 3 cases for finite verbs. Go through the video once again, and once you have done that, resolve the 2 exercises. So children, thank you for participating. Take care, happy learning, and God bless you all.